Welcome everybody to JonesTV. Welcome to Searchin. This is Jay Jones. Today I'm going to talk to you about Travis Scott's Quintana Part 2 off the Days Before Rodeo mixtape, produced by Mike Dean, Southside, TM88, Little C, and Audio Click. A disclaimer before I talk to you about the preset. I'm about 90% sure it's the right one. Usually I'm 99%, but this time I'm only 90%. It is under the synth poly in Atmosphere, and the preset is called Chroma Brass. And that was one of the many presets that was in Quintana Part 2. If you're enjoying the show, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Check out other content on JonesTV. This has been Searchin, and I'm out.